Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to share your Canva design as image files such as PNG or JPEG. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Canva, you can use your Google account, your Facebook account. You can even use your business or working email, and by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, sharing your Canva design as image files in PNG or JPEG format offers a lot of benefits because number one, PNG and JPEG are widely supported image formats that can be easily viewed and opened on virtually any device, including computers, smartphones, and tablets without the need for specialized software. Image files can be shared effortlessly via email, messaging apps, social media platforms, or embedded directly into websites and presentations. This simplifies the process of distributing your designs to a wider audience. Now, you have two options. If you aren't already working on your design, click on the open menu option here and click on this option. Now, from here, you can customize your design for the criteria or that you wanted. You can use a doc, whiteboard size, video size, which is 1920 by 1080. You can use a Facebook post, Instagram post. So there's a lot basically of a template that you can use. But for now, we are going to use something like an Instagram post square, which is 1080 by 1080. Now, once it's loaded, okay, so you can go to elements. And from here, maybe let's search for now click on this one, right? It's up to you. And then click on JPEG and this one. Let's click both. Now, for us to be able to share your Canva design as image files, right? All you have to do is click on the share option in the upper right corner. Click on it, and you see this option, share on social, right here. Click on that. That is for sharing the design only, all right? You can use Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and a lot more. But click on the download instead, and from here you can choose the file type, which is the PNG for now. You have the option for a transparent background, or you can even compress file, which lowers the quality. But if you're just working for a draft, you might want to click on this option. Alternatively, it's the same process for the JPEG. You can scrub the size for the quality. You can use the file size as large, and you can also have a save download settings. And from there, all I have to do is click on download. All right. Now, if you are working maybe for a multiple design, say for example this one and this one, it's the same for both. Click on download, maybe for PNG, and select all the file pages, right? Alternatively, click on the JPEG and do the same thing. Click on select all pages, click on done, and once you've done that, you would be able to share your Canva design as image files such as PNG or JPEG. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.